Hi students, welcome to our channel Physics Concepts by Ali sir. And today's session is about the admission procedure for NEET. NEET is National Eligibility Entrance Test for admission in the medicine. Earlier this exam was conducted by then All India Paramedical Test. It was the NEET was called as AAPMT, All India Paramedical Test by CBSE used to conduct. Right from 2 years onwards, this exam has been conducted by NTA, National Testing Agency, under the name of NEET. That is a NEET. And what is this exam and what is the procedure? These all things we will discuss. And here one of the biggest advantages right from this year onwards, then even JIPMET and AIMS also falls under the category of NEET only. No need of writing a special exam for them. Then if a NEET can be sufficient to get admission even those prestigious colleges also. Now let us see then what is the mode of exam, those all things. And you have to write only one exam you should write, and that is one paper only, and which consists of 4 subjects. And these 4 subjects are then physics, chemistry, botany and zoology. Each subject consists of 45 questions. And each question carries 4 marks. This exam completely offline, paper, pen mode, not online. Online in the sense everything will be given, input will be given to the system. But here, then 1 mark will be given, and on that you have to mark this. That is these both subjects offline exam, paper, pen, and afterwards then allotment of marks. For each correct answer, then 4 marks will be given. For each wrong answer, -1 mark will be allotted. Means the total correct answers will be considered and total negative marks will be calculated, and all marks will be combined. At the end, the total marks what you will get it. And here is the total questions 180, total marks is 720. And here out of 720, generalized analysis, if you are supposed to get 600 plus, then there will be possibilities to get approximately. Most probably this will be accurate, but not exact. Approximately or probably. Then you may get seat in the first round itself. Then if your score is out of 720, 550 plus, then there will be more chances are there to get a seat in the second round itself. I am telling you this according to the general category, and reservation category the marks cutoff will be changed. That is different. And here now let us see then the tip for this one. What is the tip for this one is generally in case of when you are studying for the NEET, you are just preparing for NEET. Generally what will happen, that is physics, then leave it to physics we will discuss. Chemistry, botany and zoology. Most of the questions and will give you good grip depending upon the NCERT preparation. If you are thorough with NCERT, most probably half of your job, not half, most of the job has been done. Then what about physics? Physics will be the really that is a challenging subject, and which it decides the physics is the deciding factor for admission in the NEET. Means you should have a sound knowledge in the physics. Means what you have to do? You have to learn the physics concepts right from the basics. Why? Because the questions will be asked you right from the basics to the high end. And so you should have very good knowledge about the physics. And in our channel, we will provide the concepts right from the basics to then high end, which will be helpful for you then your journey to get a success in the admission in the medicine. So then you follow our channel to get the right and the exact and very good information about the physics. Then wish you all the best for your success.